Indiana blind girl Aisha, and today my brothers and I, my brothers.
What the fuck?
My husband and our brother and I, we're gonna be trying some treats today from Rainbow Snack Attack. We're gonna start from sweet, sour, sweet,
Man, we started already.
sweet, sour, and spicy. So I guess this is first.
It's a Pillsbury chocolate chip salty cookies.
It's a classic. It's a classic. Okay, next. Is this separate? It tastes like a regular donut. It's one of my favorite. It tastes healthy.
Like a wheat donut.
Yeah.
Regular show vibes.
Yeah, this is not the best for me. That's not the best for me. So we got two different drinks.
Mountain Dew.
Is it Mountain Dew?
No.
It's Warheads.
Two different Warhead drinks. We're gonna start off with the blueberry one. Babe, you supposed to be engaged in this.
I'm engaged, trust me.
You're married. One.
What kind of shit is that?
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, that's good.
That's
yeah.
not bad. That tastes like a blue Faygo.
It's just more soury to it.
Yeah, it's definitely sour. It's definitely sour.
This is some liquor. We need some liquor for this.
Yeah, it's like a blueberry vodka. What was this one?
This is green apple.
Oh my god, I'm not gonna like this. I don't know. I have a love-hate. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
It tastes less sour.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't want that though.
It kind of tastes like apple juice though, like green
Just
apple
take the
juice.
cup.
Pour it in the cup. There you go.
Don't it taste
tastes like
apple juice though?
Yeah.
Just
Set it
a little
down.
bit sour.
Set the cup down. I'm trying to hand it up.
Next, we have a Warhead. This is what I'm most excited about. No, give me an end piece. I'll take an end piece. Ooh, I'm excited.
You got the smallest piece.
I'm excited.
I did it on purpose.
I got me excited. 1, 2, 3.
This is a regular goddamn pickle.
It's sour.
Where?
It got like a sour kick to it.
It do. I taste it.
Yeah, I taste it.
I know.
It's a little bit more sour than.
Then like that vinegary.
Yeah.
It's more vinegary. Well, more sour than vinegary.
Them Ventnier's crunchy curls.
Whatever that is. Quinn keeps saying.
It sounds like a knockoff brand of fucking air conditioning.
I don't know how you.
Take 2.
I've never had those before.
Quinn, because I normally just buy the real things.
Yeah, these are definitely hot Cheetos.
Okay.
These motherfuckers that cost like
$1. Solid
On
dollar.
a count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hot Cheetos.
That was definitely a hot Cheeto. They've been baked a little longer. Oh my god.
And then she's the only one that almost dies.
What? I want to put it in my pickle. Hold on.
You and your ratatouille.
That's good. Try it with the pickle. Y'all don't have no more pickle, do you?
I do.
Try it with the pickle.
Yeah, that shit fire though with these.
It really is. It's like a sour vinegary heat. That's some good stuff. If y'all want to go shop with Rainbow Treat Snack Attack, I will leave her linked somewhere down here. Also, if you are on my TikTok or wherever you at that has my link tree, go there and you can go and shop for any of these snacks. Okay?